मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे रोज रोज बैठे सच्चियां मोहब्बतां निभा के सताए मैनू क्यों दिखाए मैनू क्यों एवें झूठी मूठी रुस के रुसा के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाले अख नूं मिला के तेनू लगा तो छुपा के रखा अखां च सजा के तू है मेरी वफा रख अपना बना के मैं तेरे लिया यारा ना पावी कदे दूरियां मैं जीना है तेरा मैं जीना है तेरा तू जीना है मेरा दस लेना की नखरा दिखा के दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बह के अख नाल अख नूं मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां
Good morning, my dear. How are you? Been a long time. I think couple of months.
Yes,
I think
very long.
very long, right?
Yeah, very long.
Perhaps before the new year, was it? I don't remember now exactly.
Yes, I think so.
I think,
Yeah.
I think it was end of last year or something
Mm-hmm.
really. So you were busy, I think, doing some things, and you were
Yeah.
here until end of the year or something. But anyway, great to see you from London.
Same here.
My dear friend Archana is here. I was just talking to her mom. She's a wonderful lady, and I have to bring her on the program one day as well. You know, I think you said your mom and dad both they both perform and both sing very well, right? So we have to do that too. So you have been here, but since after that you didn't come back to New York, or you just left that time when you were here last year, I
Yeah,
think.
I left. I haven't been back. No, not
You
yet.
know, sometime in November or something, was it?
Yes.
Like
You
that.
remember that? Wow.
I remember because we were supposed to meet or something, do something live, and then
Yeah.
I got very
Yeah.
busy or something. You were also busy with your
Mm-hmm.
mom. She was not feeling well that time, and we could not do it. Yeah, and then you had to go back. Yes, I remember. It just came to my mind. But anyway, she's a lovely lady, and just spoke to her, and she said she couldn't get a hold of you. Um,
Yeah.
anyway, I'm glad you could make it, and we like was said, it's been a very long time. And your selections are amazing because I just went through them yesterday, and you
Thank
have
you.
very, very good selections of ghazals. And I know you love to do selectively. You only like to do ghazals, and then you have a very good selection with different singers. You know, you
Mm-hmm.
select those.
Yes.
That's very good because they all are very talented singers, and everybody has their own speciality. Which one is, the style of singing and everything. So
Mm-hmm.
you can do all of them. That's really, really great. Let me see who's over here joining us. Yeah, here they are. Okay, we
Let me see
have
who's over here joining us.
we have Shashi ji. Good morning. Good morning, Ramaji, and yeah, welcome. Ramaji and Shashi ji are right here. They joined, and
Hello, Ramaji. Hello, Shashiji.
yeah, this Archana is right here. She's saying hello to you guys. And so we had a little time difference because she's from London and we are in New York. So we were like just 1 minute before 10:30 we got connected. It was a rush. But anyway, um, I'm glad you guys are already here before me. Thank you so much for joining. And I'm also going to share this program with a lot of other, I have my page because some people cannot join this play, so they can join the page and listen.
Mm-hmm.
And also,
Shavina ji, you look fabulous today.
Oh my God.
You
So do
look
you?
gorgeous.
No.
You do.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You always do, but today you look really nice,
That's so
and this
nice.
color really goes well with your
Good color.
complexion.
You know what? Now it's getting a little warm, so
Yeah.
I can start wearing all these dresses and things like that. Before, even now, sometimes it gets cold. You never know with the weather over here in New York.
Hmm.
How is it over there in London? How is it?
Oh, well, it's raining today, so
Oh, nothing new. London, that's the way it is. Raining all the time. You got to have your
yep.
umbrella with you as well, like they say.
Yes.
You know, you have your Macintosh and Mac and your umbrella. That's given all the time. I know, because I lived in London for a while. So um, that's how I know that because I was there for when I was in school.
Yeah.
I was there for about 3 4 years studying
Yeah.
there.
You did say last time that you've been here, you've lived here. Yeah.
Yes, and that time was the same thing. But you get used to it, just like everything
Yeah.
else. Like over here, it gets warm one day, cold one day. That's what happens. So you have a very good selection. वही मैं देख रही थी कि But anyway, tell me a little bit more about yourself. I know, due to the environment in Archana's household, she said during her childhood, she was inspired to sing. And she's been singing since she was 4 years old, and she learned singing from her mom and dad. That's why I said I have to ask them to come join one day as well. And currently, she has a Guruji with whom she's learning classical singing, and she also dances Kathak and Bharatnatyam. And if you're going to be here around July, I'm having a live program. That would be great if you're here. You could
Okay.
do something for us. Yeah. If you're going to be coming and joining us, that'd be very nice.
Yeah, it would be nice.
That would be
But I'm
really
not
good
sure yet. I haven't decided anything as yet, so
because we're having a program on July, excuse me, July 11th. We are planning something, so that'd be uh, that'd be great if you're here. And we are planning something special. I will let everybody. We just had a program recently, a couple of weeks ago. We had a little bit less than 2 weeks. We had a fashion show. We had honored some ladies. We had some
wow.
entertainment. Yeah. So I'm going to follow up with another program now in July, on July 11th. That'll be like 2 months after the first one. DDG, like Dil Diya Gala, has been on air, or you can say started 4 years ago, in just on May 18th, actually, the exact date. So we've been, having all kind of different people, and this gone from one thing to the next. It's been progressing. What was that? Anything?
Sorry about that.
Up?
I can't. It's just the phone.
Oh, okay, okay.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. So maybe that's your maybe your mom trying to get hold of you. You wanna go and have a look? She probably is trying to get hold of you, because I said that couldn't get through to you. Yeah, let me see. Anyways, so अभी आपका फर्स्ट मैंने देख रही हूँ कि दिल ना मिलते तो मुलाकात, that's the first आपने भेजा मुझे लिस्ट में. तो ये कौन गा रहा है, and who's the, I didn't get time to even look, and who was the original singer, I mean who's the one who sang this ghazal. तो इसके बारे में
It,
थोड़ा let me
sure.
let a little bit about it.
It is Chandan Das ji who's singing it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
so and the lyrics are written by him, and the music, everything he's composed the ghazal itself.
really.
So yeah, it's Chandan
Wow.
Das ji. Yeah.
And she said she does the Bharatnatyam and all that, very good. And your Bharatnatyam Guru ji has been Savitri auntie. She
Yes.
still learn from her, or are you finished learning?
No,
The
I don't learn anymore, but she
you
was
don't learn
in
anymore.
she's
She's the
in
one
New
who
York.
taught you.
Yeah. Hmm.
Because in New York we have a couple of schools also that teach. When I see young kids performing, they're learning from different schools, and I guess then they grow up, but they do a good job. The schools are doing a great job teaching the kids the culture and everything. It's good to keep it up. If you can,
Absolutely.
it's a lot of hard work, for the the mothers to bring the kids to the programs and they perform, like a whole group of them. Every time we have a show or anything, the kids are there. They're always doing that. So it's really wonderful, wonderful to see them doing that. So chalo, so you can, let's hear you sing that one. Yeah.
दिल न मिलती तो मुलाकात अधूरी रहती, दिल न मिलती तो मुलाकात अधूरी रहती, बात तो होती मगर बात अधूरी रहती, दिल न मिलती तो मुलाकात अधूरी रहती, दिल न मिलती। शुक्रिया तेरा तेरे आने से रौनक तो बढ़ी, शुक्रिया तेरा तेरे आने से रौनक तो बढ़ी, वरना ये महफिल जज़्बात अधूरी रहती, वरना ये महफिल जज़्बात अधूरी रहती, बात तो होती मगर बात अधूरी रहती, दिल न मिलती तो मुलाकात अधूरी रहती,
Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, very, very nice. मैंने I don't think so I've
You,
heard it before. मैंने नहीं पहले सुना हुआ, but it's very, very soothing and very nice. आपने बड़ा अच्छा गाया, बहुत अच्छा गाया.
thank you.
And so how do you make yours like? Do you? I know last time we have you have do you go back and check what you sang last time, or up just you just choose whatever you feel like? What do you how you do it?
I usually don't like to repeat the ghazals that I've already sung. So I try to see whatever I did sing last time, so I don't want to repeat it. But
Right.
if it's repeated, then I don't think because the ghazals are so beautiful, I don't
Doesn't
think
matter.
anyone will
Oh,
not appreciate being repeated because बहुत सा but
that's true.
सारी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with you. That's true. That is true. So so the next one is also this one I think I've heard of it.
Yes.
It's called Hum Tere Shahar Mein.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, and who's the one who sang that one? Who's the मतलब किसने गाया हुआ है? I mean, let me speak. I'm
I
speaking.
thought maybe let me see if you remember.
I think wasn't it this like this mind the name is coming in my mind now. I can't remember his name. Oh yeah, Jagmeet Singh, right?
Who?
Yeah,
Sorry?
Jagmeet. Am I right or wrong?
Sorry, no, wrong.
No, it's the other guy, Pankaj Udas, maybe.
Nahi.
Me?
No.
What is that guy from Pakistan? He's a very good singer too. Very, very. Now I forgot the names. मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहे. But
Okay.
but I think I know who I know who it is. Ghulam Ali.
That's it. Right.
I got it. See,
Ghulam. Yes.
I knew. I said, he's from Pakistan के हैं, लेकिन मैंने अब नाम मुझे याद आ गया. Now I remember. I couldn't remember that time when I was saying that, but now I do. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, he's
तो
a
मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती थी कि बहुत सारे सारे बड़े दिग्गज लोग ये सारी गज़लें गाई हुई हैं और मेरे से कुछ भी गलतियाँ गुस्ताखियाँ हो जाए तो फिर प्लीज़ मुझे वो नज़रअंदाज कर देना, मुझे माफ़ कर देना सभी.
Listen, nobody is perfect. We all do our best, and it's nothing like that. I mean, we're just entertaining. We're enjoying singing. All these ghazals that those guys have sang, and I mean, they were all superb in their own field. Like they were all very good. But we all try our best to do the best we can, and we like because we appreciate and we enjoy what they sang. And
Yes.
we by singing their ghazals, that's how we appreciate them more. That's what I feel.
Yes,
because
that's absolutely true.
that's what I really feel that way. तो हम तेरे शहर में. This is a beautiful ghazal. Yes, I remember
It
now.
is, yeah.
I've heard it. Mm-hmm. So, yeah.
Okay, I'll just start.
Mm-hmm. Wow, very,
Thank
very
you.
soothing and very बहुत ही अच्छा गाया. Very, very nice. You sang
Thank
so nice,
you.
sweetly. And you have a perfect voice for ghazals. That's why I think you choose
Oh,
to sing ghazals only. You know what? Arjuna is a young girl, but she likes to sing only ghazals, which is amazing. That's her preference. So, ज़्यादातर हमारे program में, whenever she comes, she has a very good selection, and she always picks very different ones, different ghazals all the time. That means she really has to practice a lot, or she probably knows so many ghazals by now, because that's what she likes to sing. So how's everything going? You do the programs over there too with the ghazals?
yes,
Ghazal
yes.
kind of you do that.
I also wanted to mention that I do Bollywood as well, but just a few selected numbers that usually people don't sing because those are the songs that are so beautiful, but they don't get their credit and all that. So मैं ऐसे गीत बॉलीवुड में जो होते हैं वो मैं ऐसे गीत गाती हूँ. I just wanted to say that as well.
That's
कि
good.
गाती हूँ लेकिन कोई कोई
Koi koi.
selected songs. Yeah,
Not the regular ones everybody's singing, like
yeah.
those type. Yeah, I understand.
Mhm.
So, and that's a good thing too, because you want to have a unique selection which nobody else is doing, something different. And like you just said, the songs which nobody likes to sing, but they need attention, and people kind of ignore them, or they're beautiful songs.
Absolutely.
Sometimes people just don't want to sing those for whatever reason it may be. But the shairi, and I mean, you also do little shairi too, I think.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
After each ghazal, you used to do it last time. I remember you did. Before each ghazal you sang, you said something about the next one. So yeah, like I said, she prefers that, and she's been learning since she was singing since she was 4 years old. That's really amazing. And you used to be in New York before. Now you settled in London, right? Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yeah. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Yeah. Mom and dad are here, and that's how I met you through your mom. I think she got in touch with me, and
Yes,
then
she did. Yeah.
so
She's been following you
I know, I
since I
know.
think you're 4 years or something. She's been
Yeah,
following you.
4 years. We
And
started 4 years ago. Yeah, she's been following me
yeah,
since then. So I have to bring
yeah.
her on one day, definitely. She's is she feeling all right now? She's better? Everything's okay?
She's much better. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, she's doing good now. Yeah. Touch wood.
Yeah, that's good. So अभी next सुनते हैं रात भी नींद भी. Okay. This one you can tell me
ये
who's
भी ये भी बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत गजल है और मैं माफी चाहती हूँ अगर मुझसे गलतियां हो जाए लेकिन ये चित्रा जी सिंह जी की गजल है एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल
she's a
इट्स
good.
एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल
Yes.
तो आप सभी ध्यान से सुनिएगा एंड आई होप दैट आई कैन सिंग इट एज a little bit better than what I usually sing so
Oh, I'm sure you will.
okay. It's just starting a little bit late, like a few seconds.
No.
रात भी नींद भी कहानी भी रात भी नींद भी कहानी भी हाय क्या चीज है जवानी भी रात भी नींद भी कहानी भी हाय क्या चीज है शोलों से करते हैं सैराब। जिंदगी आग भी है पानी भी, जिंदगी आग भी है पानी भी। हाय क्या चीज है जवानी भी, रात भी नींद भी कहानी भी। हक क्या क्या मुझे नहीं कहती, हक क्या क्या मुझे नहीं कहती। कुछ सुनूं मैं तेरी जुबानी भी। पास रहना किसी का रात की रात, पास रहना किसी का रात की रात। मेहमानी भी मेज़बानी भी, मेहमानी भी मेज़बानी भी। हाय क्या चीज़ है जवानी भी, रात भी नींद भी कहानी भी। हाय क्या चीज़ है जवानी भी, रात भी नींद भी कहानी भी।
Wow, I'm gonna really give it. It's such a beautiful, beautiful ghazal. Oh, a lot of some people are saying abhi pehle nahi suni. Lekin, but you
Oh,
have you have a tendency to pick the ones which are a lot of people that haven't listened to, but you pick it up because you think that they deserve the credit. And I think you're right because mostly people hear the other ones which are so sapne gaye hue hain, those popular. But this one, I haven't even I have not heard it, but it's beautiful. I mean, it's a beautiful
it
one.
is.
Why not? Why we have not heard it? I don't know why, but it's
Mhm.
amazing. It's very nice. Um, Kamlesh ji likh rahe hain, Arjuna ji, you are the queen of ghazals.
Aw, thank you
One
Kamlesh
of the
ji.
best, one of the best solo ghazal of Chitra Singh. Yeah,
Yes,
the Ramaji is
she's
writing.
heard it. Kamlesh ji has heard this. उन्होंने सुनी हुई है।
She said it's one of the best solo singer. Yeah, she must have heard it. That's why she's saying. Hmm. And your mom just joined also.
Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग। अभी हमारे साथ और भी लोग जुड़ गए हैं। रमा जी तो हैं, आशा जी, कमलेश जी एंड तनशेषी जी देयर टू, एंड उषा जी जस्ट जॉइन, एंड योर मॉम जस्ट जॉइन, एंड शैली जी ऑल्सो जॉइंड, एंड couple of other people are here, Shali ji and Rama ji, of course. So that is she is actually hello ji, क्या हाल है? And Suaji, thanks so much for joining. You know, like Chitra Singh, I don't know if she sings anymore after the tragedy that
No,
happened.
she doesn't.
She
No.
stopped singing. It's a sad thing
Yeah,
because
it is. Yeah,
she's such a good singer, you know,
absolutely.
and she's a very
Her
good singer.
voice
And
and her
beautiful.
throw and oh my gosh, she was just
When she was
absolutely
married to Jagjit Singh, you know, he passed away,
yeah,
unfortunately.
yeah.
They made a very good pair. They sang so
Mhm.
beautifully together. So a lot of their ghazals जो इकट्ठी गाई हुई हैं, and separate too.
Mhm.
That time when they were together, they sang amazing ghazals. So
Yeah.
when I'm what I do is I listen to all the ghazals. You know, I like to listen to them. And there are a lot of ghazals of Jagjit Singh which people have not. They're not that popular as the ones that people keep on hearing all the time. There are a
Mhm.
lot of them they have not heard. So he has sang a lot actually, but हम तो वही सुनते हैं which we are familiar with. I mean, the ones we
Yeah,
have heard
होठों
many
से छू
times.
लो तुम
Right,
मैं, all
exactly.
those ones.
Not the ones that there are a lot of them which are really I have heard I'm listening to for the first time too. So there are lot of hidden treasures, like you said. There are plenty of them, and I'm sure all the singers have that. Um, तो अब नेक्स्ट चलते हैं तुम ना मानो मगर.
Yes. ये पंकज उधास जी की
हाँ.
गजल है और हाल ही में उनकी ये वो he went away to heaven, so yeah, that was quite sad, but yes, this is one of his ghazals, and he used to sing also really well and really good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I'll just start his
Yes.
ghazal. न मानो मगर हकीकत है, तुम न मानो
Wow, wow,
Thank
beautiful.
you.
बहुत ही very again a very very soothing one, which I really and some people that said कि पंकज उदास का काफी they've heard it, they've heard him singing it.
Okay, that's
Aji
great.
कह रही हैं, yeah, she said she's heard him singing on his live performances, I
Oh,
guess.
wow.
Yeah,
Hmm.
and Ramaji is saying that you have a classical flair in your ghazals. Yeah, she does.
Oh, thank you.
Pankaj Udas ji, he was a excellent. Shaili
Yes,
ji
you are.
also, he was.
Hmm.
I didn't know he passed away. Is he?
Yes, he did. Yeah, I don't exactly know when, but maybe end of last year or beginning of this year, something like that. But yeah,
Very
it was
recent.
really sad.
I,
Yeah.
when you said that, I wasn't sure if I should ask that question because I wasn't really sure. But
Hmm.
I guess you must be knowing better than I do because I
Yeah.
said all these good singers, but they leave the legacy, which is
Yes.
amazing.
Absolutely.
Like
Mm-hmm.
for example, I mean, Western countries, Elvis Presley, I think he went away very young, but his songs,
Mm-hmm.
even now, they're
Absolutely.
magic. I mean, to the world,
Yes.
I love his singing because I'm one of those. I was very young, but I love his songs. And Muhammad Rafi, for example, he was very young, but his songs are as fabulous now as when he was
Yeah.
alive. People still sing the amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, recently, Lata Mangeshkar died a couple of years ago,
Yeah.
and she's going to be like a queen of singing forever. I think
Yes.
nobody can be even near her, but people do sing. Why? Because that's how you remember them.
Mm-hmm.
If we don't sing the songs, then how can we remember them? So people do
Yeah.
sing, do sing. So that's a good thing for them to know. If they're looking at us, we miss you guys. I miss Jagjit Singh a lot. I wish he was alive because I saw his live
I
performance,
wish.
live shows, couple of them, and
Yeah.
even Kishore Kumar. I mean, he's yeah. I saw his too live. Lata Mangeshkar, I saw live. When they came to New York, I got a chance, so I had gone.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
have seen Jagjit Singh Ji's shows
live.
live?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
wow.
yeah.
That's amazing.
And that was a long time ago. Yeah, I think he came a few times. I went twice. I remember seeing once. I think he was alone. He wasn't with Chitra anymore at that time. But he was really good. I mean, he has a group of his own band, and
Yeah.
some with him, and it was really good. And yeah, and then he also traveled. They all traveled to different Australia and all that. You can see on YouTube. You can see all the concerts that he did. I mean, anytime you
Touring
want to see
around.
something, yeah, you can see them. So that they're still alive and with us. Just listen to the songs, and they are alive. I would say in that way.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
absolutely.
Lata Mangeshkar is a legend, on her right.
She
I think
is,
Muhammad
yeah.
Rafi is also nobody can beat
Yeah.
him. Muhammad Rafi is a unique. He was unique. So all these guys, I,
Yeah.
I personally think they went away too. I mean, Lata, except for Lata Mangeshkar, the other guys, people, they went away very young. But
Yeah,
they
but
sang.
Lata Mangeshkar ji, I mean, she sang for so many
I
generations
know.
down the line, you know.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's never happened before. It'll never
One of
happen
the
again. So,
60s, 70s, even 50s, even 80s, even she sang for all the young
hmm.
actresses, the one who
Yeah.
just joined. So she
Yes.
sang for them, which is
Yeah.
amazing. The sister is actually equally good. Asha is equally good. I would say she's
Yeah.
very good. She's a little different style,
Hmm.
but I think she's also very good. She's still good.
Yeah.
She
Even
still sings.
Asha ji's ghazals are really nice.
Yes.
Beautiful ghazals,
She
Asha ji.
sang with I heard a ghazal that she sang with Jagjit Singh, and also I heard a ghazal just recently, Lata Mangeshkar and Jagjit Singh ghazal.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
recently,
Yeah.
I
Yes.
heard that one. That was
Yeah.
very good, very good. So he's really good. Voice is good. तो चलो अब नेक्स्ट चलते हैं अपनी आंखों के समंदर.
यस, अभी बारी आई आपकी और मेरे भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेवरेट सिंगर हैं। आपके भी फेवरेट हैं? कौन है वो?
Jagjit Singh.
यस,
Yes.
जगजीत सिंह
Okay,
जी।
I got it right this time.
यस।
first, first try. Okay, yeah, no, no, I
फर्स्ट
think
ट्राई।
yeah, first try. That was good.
और ये जो गज़ल है मैं मेरे मॉम डैड और मेरे हस्बैंड को भी डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगी,
Okay.
क्योंकि हम सब इस दुनिया में आए हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ गलतियाँ करते हैं, तो मैं मेरे मम डैड और मेरे हस्बैंड को भी सॉरी कहना चाहूँगी, वो सारी चीज़ों के लिए। जब भी मैं उनसे लड़ी हूँ, गुस्सा हुई हूँ, उनको हर्ट किया है, उस सब के लिए मम डैड सॉरी, एंड इवन माय हस्बैंड सॉरी।
Right. I
सो
don't think you can hurt anybody too sweet. You're too sweet to hurt anyone.
थैंक यू।
Yeah,
So this ghazal is also very, very beautiful, and I'm not sure anyone would have heard it, but it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So sit
okay,
back and enjoy.
sure.
अपनी आँखों के समंदर में उतरे जा मगर जाने दे, अपनी आँखों के समंदर में उतर जाने दे, तेरा मुजरिम हूँ, मुझे डूब के मर जाने दे, अपनी आँखों के समंदर में उतर जाने दे।
Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is really, really very deep. मतलब सुन रही
Yes.
थी, and I'm going, my mind is going, thinking of what word, what, how he, but do this, जो गजल गाते हैं वो खुद ही wordings लिखते, I think he wrote this himself, the wordings or
This
somebody else
one,
does it.
no, this one is the lyricist is Nazir Bakri, so it's not
It's not him. Sometimes he
Jagjit
does,
Singh.
sometimes he writes
Yeah.
himself too. He does. But very, very, extremely deep. वो आपने, but how does you, how come you say sorry in this one? आपने
Um,
कहा you want to say sorry to your mom and if you did something, but um,
I mean, we always do something to hurt
I
or
know.
people around us, or
So you
we
want to
fight with
dedicate,
them.
yeah,
We
that is
fight
true.
with them. We get angry, and then you feel like, oh, why did I get angry? So it's just like, it's just overall,
Overall,
like
yeah, it does.
overall my all my life. So I just want to say sorry for the times that I've hurt them.
Mm, amazing, amazing. हमारा तो वैसे it's already almost, yeah, it's almost 1 hour. But what I'm
Oh,
going to do is you can you still have a few left, which what I'm thinking of doing is telling you to come back in a couple of weeks whenever you are ready. You tell me
okay.
your schedule, and then we can complete the others which are left. But before you go, my request is to sing um, the number 8.
Number 8. Which one's number 8?
Have a
Which
look.
one's that? Wait, what's it? What is it called?
Okay. तुम इतना जो
Oh, that
मुस्कुरा
one. Okay, sure. The last one.
the
Okay.
last one, yeah. Because although we are a little bit over time, but it doesn't matter because I really, that's also, I think, a very beautiful ghazal.
It
By,
is.
it's one of the most, very, very, I mean, it's very popular, but at the same time, it is worth, it deserves to be popular. It's so good, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and one of my favorites too. So I would like you to sing that one before and then the other two which are left over, we can do that next time. We'll do that.
Sure. Yeah. And this ghazal is from a movie actually.
Yeah.
It's from a movie called Earth, which
Yes.
was a 1982 movie, so
Yeah.
it's like that old. But yeah, Jagjit Singh sang in movies at those
At
times.
that time,
So
very few, very, very few movies, but this was one of them. Yeah, I remember
yes. Yeah.
um, the movie as well. I
Okay.
remember the movie.
I'll
Yeah.
just start.
Mhm.
तुम इतना जो हंसी लबों पर, आंखों में नमी हंसी लबों पर, क्या हाल है, क्या दिखा रहे हो, क्या हाल है, क्या दिखा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो। बन जाएंगे जहर पीते पीते, बन जाएंगे जहर पीते पीते, ये अश्क जो पीते जा रहे हो, ये अश्क जो पीते जा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो। जिन जख्मों को वक्त भर चला है, जिन जख्मों को वक्त भर चला है, तुम क्यों उन्हें छेड़े जा रहे हो, तुम क्यों उन्हें छेड़े जा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो। रेखाओं का खेल है मुकद्दर, रेखाओं का खेल है मुकद्दर, रेखाओं से मात खा रहे हो, रेखाओं से मात खा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो।
Wow, I would have to
Thank you.
clap for this. I mean, all of them amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautifully sung. और आपकी mom भी लिख रही है that she's very, because she's also very good in cooking, dancing, and singing. Of course, singing
I
तो
got
देख
it from my mom.
got it from your mom. Yeah, your mom is supposed to come. Ansua ji, July 11th, Dil Diyan Gallan is having a live program right here in New York. And we're going to be having some dances. Part of the program is some dancing as well. So that's why I was saying if Archana is here, that'd be great because because last time we couldn't do it for some reason. I wanted to. We were supposed to do something in my house, but it just didn't work out. तो अब हमारा we're having something in we're going to be doing something live. So if she's here, we'll if you're coming around that time, let me know. Because we'll be
Okay.
doing some, yeah, live performance. We'll be doing programs every couple of months. We just had one on May 9th. We had one, and we're going to have another one in July 11th after 2 months.
That's
So,
good.
yeah. So after that, we'll continue doing that. So if you're coming around that time, just let me know. I'll be very
Yeah.
happy.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks so much for coming and taking your time.
Thank you.
I know you must
Thank you
be
for
busy.
having me.
Oh no, you're
Yeah.
welcome. Welcome. And we'll the other two. I don't want to miss those two. We're gonna continue with the program in a couple of weeks. Let's see, depending on your schedule, and I check the schedule as well. And then you can
Yes.
uh, sing those with a couple of others. So I want to thank everybody who's here. Thank you so much, Archana, and your mom also. Thank you so much, Ansuaji, for joining, and also all the other friends who are here. Thank you so much for taking the time and coming to our program. I'm sure you're all happy that Dildiya Gallan does all this kind of programs. We bring different singers, different people from all over the world. If you have anybody who's talented or who wants to try and come here, any kind of a talent you have, do come and let me know. And we would love to have you in our program. Dildiya Gallan, that's what we do. We like to bring new people and talent. The ones already coming, they also come and sing. We also sing, some of us. So thank you so much, all of you. Have a wonderful day. And
Thank you.
see you back here on Friday on Shukrana. And we are having Neelam Parwani ji, Dr. Neelam Parwani from um, Jaipur in India. She's joining me this Friday. Okay, so have a great day, everyone. And thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, Archana, for
Thank
taking the
you very
time and
much for
joining.
having me. Thank you, all the viewers. Thank you.
Just hold on for 1 second and I'll talk to you in a minute. July 11th, Asha ji, I'm having a live program in Mint in New York. I think you're part of the group. थोड़ा देख लो उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है. We're going to have another program pretty soon. So I'm trying to prepare for that one. And I was wondering if Archana is here. That'll be great if she's here. So anyway, thank you so much once again for joining, and come back here on Friday. Thank you. Bye-bye.